Hi, I'm Derek. I work the help desk here at Cygnus Systems. Today we're going to be looking at the latest product from Microsoft, Windows 7. This is a vast improvement to Vista, and one of the first things that you're going to notice here is the improved user interface. If you're coming from XP, there's going to be a big difference here. You're not going to see your start button. You have this new thing. It's called a Windows Orb, and this is what is the main driver for this whole operating system. You can access everything from this. Your base programs. You can pin these. You can select any program that you would like to have up here. So if there's ones that you go to frequently, like your Excel, your Outlook, anything that you use on a daily basis, you can pin these to your start button here, as well as down at the taskbar. Also improved is the search functionality in this. Based on the Windows indexing, it catalogs your entire system of files, folders, everything that's on there. So anything that you want to find will come up instantly. First thing I'm going to show you, one of the most basic things that you can do with Windows 7 is pinning icons to the Start menu or taskbar. We're going to go ahead and search for Microsoft Word, everybody's favorite word processing program. Start typing Word here. Already it shows up here in the programs. Now this search function is really nice if you want to get to anything on your computer. It will index everything, so it will come up instantly. So we can either just open it right here, or we can right click and then drag it down here to the taskbar. This is going to ping it, and you can see this here now. This will be always within your grasp if you need to open it at any time. Another cool feature with Windows 7 is any of these programs that are pinned to the taskbar all have other functionality within them. If we right click on the Word icon, instead of left clicking, we have options here of our most recent documents. So why don't we pull up the meeting agenda here. And here it goes. Now if you'd like to open up another Word document, all you need to do is go over to this icon and click in your middle mouse button. This is going to open up a new document for you here. Now if you notice when we were over that, we have a couple panes here. This is another feature on Windows 7 which allows you to preview different panes that are open on your computer. So let's get a couple of these other open here. Fire up Internet Explorer by right clicking and go into a recent program, the Cygnus website. So pull that up, and why don't we pull up the Microsoft website as well. So now we got these going here in two different tabs. Another program we can open here is Windows Media Player. Now of course left clicking on this is just going to open the program as per usual. Right click is going to show us our frequently played music, playlists, movies, all of that sorts. And one of my favorite things here is this Play All Music. This will take all of your music on your entire computer and just play it randomly for you at any time. Some additional functionality with the preview pane is we can control the program from this little window here. Another cool feature of Windows 7 is the arrow snap. This is great for working on two different programs at once. Let you speed up going in between each of them instead of having to minimize and reopen and go back and forth. All you do is just grab the top of the program here, slide it over the side, and it will snap in place on the right. We'll grab our Word program here, go over to the left, and it will snap in place. This improves workflow and lets you get at both things at once. It's a really nice feature. Another cool thing I like is, say you have a couple other windows open here and you just want to focus on your main program. Just grab the top here and just shake your mouse and everything will go down except the one that you want to work on. You want to get just right to your desktop, this tab here in the far right will take you down to the desktop. Another great feature in Windows 7 is the library. Now this is one of my favorite things. This is going to organize all your music, photos, videos, documents, anything that you want to keep organized. This is going to do it for you. It's also very easy to share with other people on your network. Let's just go ahead and click on it here on the taskbar. And here we go. This is all your stuff. Now this is really good because say you have music in a ton of different folders, or your photos are in 3 different spots on your computer. This puts it all in one location. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my music here. As you can see, these are a couple different locations where it was looking for music, but it found most of it here in MP3. So this is all the music in one spot. Here's the improved control panel. This is where you're going to go in to change any kind of in-depth settings on your computer. It's very easy to use here with all the categories, but if you're a old school techie, you're going to probably want to switch this over to icons because it's going to break it all down to how you're used to seeing it. Let's go back to the other view, and this icon here says change theme. This is what's going to let us change our desktop appearance and suit it to our needs. Another cool feature is that if you notice on these icons here, there's 3 different pictures here. There's a lot more than that, but that is the desktop wallpaper changer. And you can set however many seconds you want or minutes, and this will change your wallpaper, so you're not looking at the same thing all the time. Another thing I want to talk about is the Action Center. Now this is your one-stop shop for security. Any kind of error messages you're going to have on your computer, security updates, antivirus not working, all this is going to be shown up here. Now right now I don't have any issues detected, but if I did, there would be a red X here. This is going to let you know something's going on. If we just click this and go to Open Action Center, this is where we can get to everything. Now we have our maintenance options here. We can do backups, check for updates. The security tab here shows us the status of our firewall or updates if our antivirus is protected and updated. User account control, network access protection, lots of features here. We can also go over here to view performance information, and this is going to tell you exactly what your computer is running compared to other computers, and Windows will score it based on how well it does to the other systems that are out there. We have your processor, memory, graphics, your gaming card for running games, and your hard drive disk space. And another cool thing too is that you can go online and actually look up these scores, and it will tell you what programs and products that you can run based on your computer hardware settings. So if there's the newest game or photo editing software out there, you're not sure if your computer can handle it, this will tell you easily if you can run it properly or not. There are tons of new features in Windows 7 that we can talk about, but this last one that we're going to discuss is probably the most crucial for users that are upgrading or going to be purchasing a new computer with Windows 7. This is the Windows Easy Transfer Wizard. To get to it, we're just going to fire up our Start button here and go under the search and just start typing Easy, and it will show up right away for us. Go ahead and click on this. This is going to allow you to transfer your user accounts, documents, favorites, anything like that from your old computer to your new computer. Once in the program, it kind of explains a little bit about it. We just hit Next here. And there's the 3 options available to you to transfer these files. There's a Windows Easy Transfer cable that Microsoft sells, which allows you to plug in your 2 computers together and do this. You can do this through a network or through a USB or external hard drive. I'm going to select the external hard drive option just to give you an idea how this works. And it shows you here that you can specify if this is your old computer, your new computer, and based on that you can determine what stuff you want to save and then pull that onto your other PC and load it on. And I think that's going to make your Windows 7 experience a lot better, not having to start anew. You can retain all of your old information on this greatly improved interface. And that concludes our Windows 7 demo for today. I'm Derek with the help desk over here at Cygnus Systems. If you ever have any kind of computer questions or need any advice about purchasing a new system, feel free to give us a call here at Cygnus Systems. Thanks, have a good day.